Hey, what's up guys? Did you know that you get a fully functional music app on Amazfit Bip 6, which is also capable of having offline music? So if I go in apps, you'll find this music app right here, and this comes pre-installed on the watch. You don't have to download it from anywhere. So now let me show you how you can add offline music tracks to this watch. And for that, you need to go into the Zap app on your phone, go in device, and from here scroll down and you will find music app right here. Go in here and you will see this option, upload music. Tap on it and it will take you to the files app. Now from here I'll select any one of these tracks. So let's say I'll select Gemini here and tap on upload, and now you will see that this song is being uploaded to the watch. So now the transfer is complete, and I've actually transferred a couple of songs just to show you how this works. So now if I go in the music app, you will see that we have this song right here, Gemini, and if I scroll up, go in my playlist, go in all music, I'll see both the songs that I have transferred onto the watch, and from here I can play it and control the volume, also randomize it and add it to my favorites or even to workouts. Go forward, go back. So that's really cool. It's a fully functional app. And then you can also scroll up, and guess what? You can connect Bluetooth headphones to this watch as well and listen to your music on the go through the watch on your Bluetooth headphones. So here I've got my headphones. I'll turn them on. So here you can see that I have connected my Sony headphones here with my watch, and now I can go back and play this song through the watch on my Bluetooth headphones, and now you're good to go. So that's how you can add offline music to your Amazfit Bip 6 and listen to that through Bluetooth headphones on this watch, which is great. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.